Okay, so this is going to be your one pager that you're going to do as one of your rotations this week in intervention. So, a one pager, these are folds, so you can do this actually as a PowerPoint slide if you really want to. That's up to you. So, you're going to fold your paper into 4 sections or divide your PowerPoint slide into 4 sections. So, it's not going to look anywhere near as sloppy as this. This is just my example. So in this top left corner, you are going to answer this question: what skill did you learn this year? Okay. If you're not sure, I would go look at the grade book and see what targets you did really well on. So if I were going to go to the grade book and I see that I got a 3 on plotting points in all 4 quadrants of the coordinate plane, that's what I would put. If I just did a worksheet last rotation over simplifying fractions and I was like, man, I'm getting so good at this, I really understand how to simplify fractions, that's what you'd put. It's up to you. So in that top left corner, you're going to put what skill did you learn this year. So this year, let's say I learned, you're going to write it in a full sentence. I learned to simplify fractions. Okay, in the second space to the right, you're going to put a sample problem. So let's say I have 5/10 is equal to what? Okay, that's your example. Let's even write example. And then in that the bottom left part of your sheet, you're going to write how you simplify 5/10. So you do 5 over 10. You write all the factors of 5 and 10. So 5 only has 2 factors. 10 has 4 factors. They share a 1 and a 5. So that means I'm going to divide both top and bottom by 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. And that is going to give me 1/2. Okay? So try and make it look nicer than that. I'm just going through this quickly. And then the last bit, you're going to answer the question, how does it make you feel to learn something new? So maybe at the beginning of the year, you're like, I don't even know what simplifying fractions really means, or maybe you just weren't really that comfortable with it. But now you feel comfortable, and I want you to describe that feeling when you know how to do something. So, like, for example, when I simplify fractions, I feel capable. That's an example. I feel smart. Another example. I feel infinite. I mean, I'm really going hard here, but I feel infinite. I feel powerful. You don't have to write this many sentences. I want you to write one full sentence on how it makes you feel, okay? In the middle, you're going to put, you could title it whatever you want. You have to have your name, though. So, name, math skill. I'm going to title mine Math Skills. But you can call it whatever you want, as long as you have your name on there. Okay. And once you have all that information, I want you to make it look nice, okay? So we could go back in here and add some color. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I want to see that you tried. And you tried to put some time in this, because the standard that I'm going to put this in is personal development, okay? So it's based on, did you try? Do you care? And it's very clear to see that I'm not an artist, but I'm trying. I'm going to spend a minute on this. Try not to decorate like I just did, where I can't read my words anymore, but you could add some pictures on here. Do whatever you want, okay? Colored pencils, markers, all of the above. Okay, good luck.